Hey guys, this is your Preet. Welcome to our another video. In this video, we will talk about spam comment in our WordPress. You can see a lot of comments. I have 9 comments. Let me show you about spam comment. You can see all the comments. Here comment, this is comment to get started more. A lot of spamming message. Even you're a blogger, you use blogging website in WordPress or e-commerce, you will notice a lot of comments, but sometimes we think these comments are genuine comments, but no guys, and these all are spamming messages. You can see their pictures, they are not actual persons. Spamming is not difficult to solve. It's really easy. I will go through step by step how you can stop these spam messages, spam comments in your blogging or in your WordPress. Let me go through step by step. And first of all, we will go to plugin. We will click on add new. In plugin, we will find spam plugin. A lot of plugin out there, but I will show you the best plugin I personally recommend and I use since many years. Search for spam. You will see first plugin spam by clean talk. Here, this one. Let's click install now, and I will go through step by step how to enable this plugin to fix our spamming on our WordPress. This is really easy guys. Okay, so you can see we have a dashboard here. In the dashboard, it asks access key. We will click get access key automatic. It will provide you access key automatic. If you have already last time plugin you use with your WordPress, you need to import either, or you need to change your email address here like that. Click again. We will go to the website of CleanTalk, and we will get our we will enter our, let me fix this. Yeah, let me enter my old email here because I have already registered with CleanTalk with my own email. Let me enter my that email here, so it helped me to click on save changes and get automatic. Now we will click this link to reset. I will enter my, or I will go to dashboard because you need account with CleanTalk. Okay, so let me enter my email here. This is free guys, you don't need to pay anything here. Let me enter my password. We need to create either new account here. With new account, we will refresh our page. We need to create new account with our own email, with same email of our WordPress. We will enter our email here and website address here. We will copy our web address and enter it here. Paste, create account. It will provide us account and access key later on. Once you already register, you need to get access key. It will provide you access key. Click on create new account anyway. It will provide you refresh account again if you have already account. This is the access key they provide us. We need to copy this access key and we need to go back to our WordPress, and we have to paste that access key here and save changes. So we have successfully activate our, it takes some few minutes to enable spam firewall on our WordPress ready to protect this website, right? It will auto refresh again, and you can see protection is active. Registration form, comment form, contact, everything, it will give you full protection, right? Hide the website field in the comment form, because let me show you. When if you are using blogging, let me go to any of my post here. I will visit any post. I will click any post here. In the comment, when someone comment, they have option. Let me choose to comment here. Scroll down. Okay, you can see here, when they leave comment, they have option to provide their website address. So you can hide that option here. Okay, so they will not see website, they have no URL submit form, they will not get provide, they will not able to enter website address in our comments, which cause spamming, right? Now our plugin already active. Now you don't need to worry about spamming. This plugin will stop all the spamming message on your blogging or on your WordPress. Okay, so this is how it is easy. I appreciate you always support me, and I request you please subscribe, like, and share my videos with your friend. Thank you so much. I will see you again with new another video on another topic. Thank you so much.